Hey everyone, welcome back again in Daily Tuition. In the previous video, you saw that how to insert data using Ajax request. Now in this tutorial, I will show you how to fetch that data and display it in the Bootstrap table using Ajax. So I just wanted to show you how to do that. So we'll just start this second part where we left off. So we'll just open the editor, and here I just wanted to create a function that fetch the data from the server and display it on the web page. So in ajax.php file here, in the Ajax class, we will create a function. So just create a comment here, which is get data from the server, right? And here I will create a function get data. Now in this function I will add some statements. So we'll just first create a variable called SQL and execute the SQL statement here. So just call the SQL query, which is select star from the name of your table, which is student, right? Now I just wanted to store this data in the separate PHP variable. So we'll create a result variable here, and now we will store this data in the result variable. So we'll just call this and call the connection property, and then call query method. And here I will pass this query, this one, right? So we store this query in this variable. So I'll just pass this variable here, SQL. Now I just wanted to create an array that store this result, and at the end of this function we'll return this array. So just create a array send equal to array, right? Now I will just call the if the result number of rows is greater than 0, then. Now if you have more than 0 record in your database, then we will execute this if statement. So we'll just call here while loop and create a variable row is equal to result and just fetch that data, right? And in the while loop I just wanted to store that data in this send variable, this one. So we'll just call the send variable. This is the array, so I'll just specify the bracket equal to the row, right? Now you have all the data, all the records in your send array. Now I just wanted to return this send array to the function. So we'll just here return the send array. Save the document. Now I just wanted to create an Ajax request. So just go to the magic.js file, and just after the submit event here I will create a function here. Now what I will do is I just wanted to create a function that get the data using Ajax request and send this data to the HTML document. So then you can access the data and display it in the Bootstrap table. So just create a function and we specify name my data. In this function I will first remove all the default rows from the table. So we'll just first call the table class, table body, and select table row, and just wanted to remove the default rows every time because we wanted to refresh the table data every time when we click on the insert button. So just say dot remove. After that, we'll create Ajax request. So we'll just call the $.utility function, which is Ajax, and here we'll call the first property, which is method. So the method is a post, then we specify URL, which is request.php, this file. Then we specify data. So now here just I wanted to send the string value, so just say bool true, and then I just wanted to get the response. Then we just wanted to specify the data type because we are expecting the JSON data from the server. So we'll just say data type JSON. So the server will respond us with the JSON request. Just after that, we'll call the done method, and here in the parameter just specify function and specify parameter, which is response. Now we want to get the response from the request.php file. So we'll just go to the request.php file, and here we'll create a code for the response. So we'll just gonna add if is set request, and we call the bool, and here if the variable is set, then we call the if statement. Here we just create a variable get equal to new Ajax. So we'll just call the Ajax class. So here I just wanted to create one more variable, which is get array, and we'll store the array in this get array variable. So we'll just call the get object and call the method get data, this one. So this function will return the database record which we created in the Ajax file, this one, right? Now I just wanted to return this get array as a response. So when you're returning the array as a response, you just need to encode that. So we'll just call echo and encode the array in JSON format. So we'll call JSON encode and specify here get array, right? Now we'll get the response of array from this request file. So this array is stored in the response variable. Now I just wanted to show you where we wanted to insert this data. So we wanted to insert this data here. So we just go to the index.html file and we create one more tag here, which is the body, which is table body, and we just wanted to insert this data in the body. So we'll just specify a class which is table body and save this document. Now I wanted to insert this data here using jQuery. Now using jQuery, we will dynamically add this data in the Bootstrap table. So just here call the utility function each. So call $.each and specify the array, this one, the response, comma function, and the first parameter which is index, and the second one is array. Now the response is sending the multi-dimensional array, so I just wanted to create one more each statement here, each, and call the array, this one, array, and in the parameter we specify function, key, and value. After the first each statement, here we first select the table body, so just create a variable over here. So just select the table body. This is the class, so I'll specify dot here, right? And just specify this in the jQuery variable, table body. Now we just select the table body, so just call here table body dot append, and what we wanted to append is, I just wanted to append the table row, right? So this will insert the table row in the table body over here, right? Now in the second each, I just wanted to display the records, so we'll just select the table row, this one. So we'll just type table body and select the table row, and I just wanted to append table data, so just call here table data tag plus value, which is this value, and I just wanted to close this table data, right? That's it. Now I just wanted to call this function, so I will just call this function here. So we'll just create a comment, display data when page load, and call this function here. We'll just call my data. Reload this page again. That's it. Now you will see this data over here. I just wanted to solve this problem, so here I just wanted to call the eq method of jQuery and specify index, and save this document and reload this page. That's it. Your problem is solved now, right? We'll just inserting the data with the specific index, right? Now your problem is solved now. Now the last thing which I wanted to do is, I just wanted to create a message that display on the top here when the user press the insert button. So I just wanted to create this simple message over here. So what I will do is, I will just go to the index file, and at the bottom over here I will create a paragraph with the class message. I will first specify some style to this class. So in the head section I will create a style. In this style I just call the message and specify some CSS property like position, absolute, top 0%, then we specify background 444, width 100%, color white, text align, center, padding 0.4 em and 0 em. Then we specify transform, translate y, 40 pixel, and we also specify transition. Oops, I think I misspelled here. Specify transition, transform 0.5 second is. Save this document. Now I just wanted to show you what we have done here. I just comment this property and add some data in the paragraph. So we'll just say here response, reload the page. So you will see this message over here on the top. So I just wanted to remove the data from the paragraph and add this data dynamically. And I also wanted to add this property. So we'll just remove this comment. And now I just wanted to show the message when we press the insert button. Now I just wanted to create a slide down effect to this paragraph. So we'll just create one more class here, call active message, and specify transform, translate y, 0 pixel. Right, now I just wanted to add some dynamic data in the paragraph. So we'll just go to the magic.js file and I will remove this alert message. When we insert this data, you will see this alert message. I just wanted to remove this alert message, so I'll just remove that. And here I will call the message dot text and specify text for your paragraph. So we'll just specify response. So you will see the response text in the paragraph. And also I just wanted to add a class to this paragraph. So we'll just call add class. We are using the chaining system of jQuery. So just call the dot here and specify the method. Right, and here we specify active message. So we'll just add this class, this one, right, this one. Now just after that I just wanted to remove this class after 3 seconds when the data is inserted. After the data inserted, I just wanted to remove this message. So we'll just take 3 seconds to display this message and remove this message just after 3 seconds. So I'll just create a code here. So we'll just say set interval and specify function, and in this function I will just select the message and call remove class. And what I wanted to remove is, I just wanted to remove this active message class. Then I just wanted to specify the time period. So just specify here, comma, 3 seconds. So after 3 seconds, this class will automatically remove and you will see the sliding effect. So just save this document. And the last thing which I wanted to do is, when you press the insert button, you wanted to update this table and insert the data in the database. We first insert data in the database and update this table. So I just wanted to call this function here in the submit event. when you press the submit button, the data will insert it in your database and update the table. Now here I just wanted to call the MyData function and save your document. That's it. Now everything is ready. I just wanted to execute the project, reload that. So here I will just add some random data. So we'll specify first name, last name, email, and address, right, and press the insert button. Now before we press the insert button, I just wanted to tell you what will happen next. When you press the insert button, the submit event will call and insert the data using Ajax request, and then we call the MyData function and fetch that data and display this data in the Bootstrap table. You will also see the message over here. The data is successfully inserted, right? So I'll just press the insert button, right? You will see this message and this is your data. But when you press the insert button, I just wanted to reset these text boxes. So the last thing I just wanted to do is, in the submit event, I will just select the input using input type text, and we also wanted to select the text area. So just select text area and call the val function with the blank text. Save your document. Refresh the page. Now when you insert your data, the text box will automatically reset. Just wanted to insert one more data here. So just call Cleora and the name, email, and address, right? Now I just press the insert button. You will see the message over here and the updated table, right? Now you know that how to insert data into PHP database using Ajax and also fetch that data and display it in your table. So that is all for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, just comment me in the comment section. If you find anything useful in this tutorial, then must press the like button. Subscribe to this channel for more updated videos. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, be happy and keep watching.